Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can add the payment method to your account. So simply log into your BotPenguin account and click on the subscription panel on the left hand side. And on the third option that you will get the billing, you simply have to click. You get an option of payment method. Simply click on add payment method. You have to provide your card number, month expiry number, month year expiry number and the CVV code. Once you will provide these details here, click on save card and the card will be saved on your account. This is how you can add a payment method to your card, and the payment of your monthly or your yearly bill will be automatically charged from the card that we will have on file. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.